Nice little bass.
So today we're fishing a pond I've only ever fished one other time. And this time it's got hair algae everywhere. So I couldn't let the bait sit on the bottom. Had to keep it moving, but they wouldn't bite it when I was burning the bait. So I actually had to find out that perfect speed to keep it off the bottom, but slow enough that they were willing to bite. And once I got that speed, this is what happened.
Got him. Feels decent. Oh, it is. It's decent. That is a good one. Dude, he had that sucker down his throat. Practically gut hook.